At the most basic level, return on ad spend, or ROAS, is a measure of how much revenue was generated from a specific ad campaign. ROAS is often shown as a percentage that represents the revenue gained from each dollar spent on advertising. ROAS is a particularly important measure for marketers. Even if a campaign delivers high-quality users that generate a lot of revenue, you could still be losing money if you paid more to acquire the user than they are generating for the app. ROAS gives you exactly this insight. Calculating ROAS is easy and straightforward. Simply take the revenue from your ad campaign and divide it by the cost. Using this formula, 100% is the break-even point. Anything above that means you're bringing in revenue, and anything below that means you're losing money, and that your ROAS needs improving. So, how can you do that? Here are 5 areas you can start with. First, set clear, well-defined benchmarks. Second, test and optimize on an ongoing basis. Third, lower the cost of your ads. Fourth, re-engage high-value users to increase revenue. And finally, use predictive analytics to quickly optimize campaigns. Want to find out more? Check out the full article.